Welcome to the Back Row Bidder. We went to Cuba City today. There was an auction. It was hot. We bought stuff. It's the Back Road Bidder! Hello, Russ and Kathy. And I saw Eric and Mike. They were there loading up again. Who else do I have to say hi to?
The Wisco resellers.
The Wisco resellers. I don't know if I've ever said hi to them before. Hello. They're on Instagram. I don't think they have YouTube, but they're on Instagram. I follow them on there. I gotta say hi to my friend Mike, who works for Teasdale. Auction action. Couldn't do an intro in the van or in the truck today because
I have the window down.
had the windows down when you wouldn't hear us. There is some shade at least. I'm not bidding on these, Charlie.
Probably two. Those two look like they're pretty much confused.
Yeah.
You don't need a toolbox, do you? No, I do not. I was just looking for it.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, yeah. 18 gauge.
Ah! Let me see.
That should be the clue.
Nice.
Would say, here's your sign.
Whew. That's cool.
If it wasn't,
No, we were gonna split up today because.
yeah.
What's that guy's name in the auction?
Oh,
Larry. Christmas. Sweet.
Yeah, I wouldn't even have known what it was. Are these locked?
Oh, look at that.
Did your girls come?
Yeah.
No. Yeah, it's all through the sawdust and stuff. From Madison, Wisconsin, 1860.
So this probably came from New York. Yeah, you know.
Is anybody running?
They got the cashier's cage right in the middle. They can't watch either door. She wouldn't change it, so I said, the heck with it.
We thought we were.
Come December, I'll find a different place.
Wisco, right?
Wisco resellers.
Oh, you know us, huh?
Yeah, I follow you on the Instagram.
Yeah,
and
we
stuff.
follow you too, so.
Actually, I've been watching your videos. I'm enjoying them.
Well, thank you.
Yeah.
Good.
You You do a good job. You bring a lot of
Anyway, I better let you look around.
happiness and a lot of hope. Good vibes. Good
This is
vibes.
the kind of cat we need.
We have a dog like that that looks real. It's, it's creepy.
Nice meeting you.
Nice to meet you guys.
So we didn't
I'll keep that in
Well, it's
mind.
good to finally meet you.
Yeah, you too. I'm sure I if I get
How are you?
Good. How you doing?
All right. It's gonna be a busy one today. Ooh, that's neat. Stay. Oh gosh. Does it feel sturdy?
What if we got rid of all the chairs and stuff and put that in the living room?
It's red though.
Yeah, if it wasn't like a blood red.
Yeah, I don't think that would work in our house.
That's how you call it that piece.
What?
Cheese wedge. Instead if we carry this, I'd call it a cheese wedge.
See, that's the most stupidest piece. That's why I don't like sectionals, because that's kind of a wasted space.
No, I'd use this.
This is what we need.
Barbershop chair?
Yeah, and then I can cut your hair.
I already have a barbershop chair.
True.
I mean, technically it's a salon.
Yeah, see, you need something more manly.
I almost fell asleep on the painting couch.
Wow, I'm impressed you know what that's called.
Yeah, that's for sure. These golden years, you gotta be tough, right?
All right, Cannon, let's go on those. Nice big one. 10 to be now 10, but go 5 G. 5 to be now 7.5 of Evan, 7 to 7.5 of Evan, 5 and 7 to 7.5 of Evan, anybody else 7.5, would you do it? 5 and 7.50 last call. 10, 10, 10, you'll be 10 Gene. 10 to be now 7.5 and 10, so it'll be 7.5 Tony your way. On number 96 buys, thank you. And coming up here we have, ooh, here comes the old time ice skates. I don't know what they got. That's not, or, roller skates. They don't, that's not the original box, is it? No. I don't know if they're Wilsons or Chicago's or whatever they are, but the old time metal ones there. All right, they had 2.5 and go on the old rollers. 250, but get 2.5 of Evan dollar wear. How about a dollar bill on the roller skates? Buck and go to get $1 bill. Anybody want them for a buck and go? $1 bill, go ahead, sir. Oh, brass. Look at the brass we've got here. And that's all going for one money. 2.5 now. 250, but $5 now. 5 now. 5 2.5. 5. Anybody else? 2.5 for 5. 7.5, sir. 750, but get 10. 10, you'll be 10. Get 10. 12.5. 1250, but get 15. $1 70, but get 70 now, Gene. 70, 50, go 20, 20, but 20, we get 20, 70, 20. So 70, 50, Gene, you win 7-3 the buyer. Here comes the, and what brand? Singer sewing machine legs off the old treadle. Pair to go for one money, 2.5, Joe, and let's go. 250, but get 2.5. 250 cash, boys. 5, to go by 7.5 now. 750, go 10, 10, you'll be 10, 12.5 of Evan, 12, to get 12.5 one more time. $15 now. 12.5 to bid. 15, 17, 50. Anybody else at 17.5, would you do it? So, $15 your way on.
It's like a local reseller meetup here today. I'm getting abused. Picking up a few things, but I'm paying for them. trucks unlimited.
Choice by the flat, 250, 2.5. Side 9, 250, 5 times, 3, last call, 3, 4, now 4, 3, 4, 5, 600. And now 6, and 5, 6, so 5 on the corner of the wagon, sir. Number is 31, take what you like.
The food truck here has some delicious shredded pork sandwiches, which means Chuck has barbecue sauce on his shirt every time.
Down to the other two wagons.
You having fun, Mars?
Oh yeah.
Is it warm?
It's just humid.
Got a little food there.
Do I?
We just had lunch.
Driver, kind of cramp around toward the wagon a little bit, I guess.
Would you say it's
Right at
moist?
that guy in that
It's
chair.
very moist.
My dollar man. That's just fine. That's just fine. Leave him sit. Thanks, Randy. In today's economy, I don't blame anybody for trying to save a buck. Don't worry. You didn't offend me.
I've been to a lot of auctions on some really hot days, and this is the first time I had to go back to my vehicle. Thankfully, this old truck still has air conditioning that works. I got the air cranked. I'm trying to cool down. I started to get really dizzy, and I'm missing a wagon that I've been waiting for all day. But Marcy's over there, and she knows what to do, so. Oh.
Hey, the gang's all here. Everybody was there at that one.
Yeah, there was a lot of resellers and just a lot of bidders too. Get away from my truck, you rodent. Okie dokie. Garland and lights. And crab apples. Ooh, some bonus stuff in the bottom. My mom used to make those.
Really? I'm not surprised. I know. Cute.
Do. Just lights?
Yeah, these are just the big old lights.
The fatties.
The fatties. Toss them around. It's this one that I wanted.
Me too. I'm just glad we found it.
You're a jerk.
Those are cute.
Those are vintage. They're
Are
made
they-
in Taiwan.
Are they broken? Or is that how they're supposed to be?
Oh, I don't know what that is. I wanted the Three Wise Men.
Oh. Oh, these lights are cool.
Oh.
Yeah, the Three Wise Men are cool.
Notice the lights. These were $1. This box was $1 too.
The Three Wise Guys, eh? What's it made out of?
I don't know. Maybe plaster?
Don't break it. I'm real careful.
Yeah. This is part of my Noritake.
Nora who?
Noritake. That's sturdy, but
Noritake too much. Can I see the back? That's how you know it's Noritake China.
Oh yeah, it's smarter.
Okay.
But I did pretty well with my last set that I had, and I didn't even have a full set. I sold it in 3 different parts.
Is that what you're doing with these? Parting them out?
I don't know. I gotta look them up. I might try to do the whole. That's more of the Noritake set.
Yeah, I see that. It's heavy. Excuse you. For all the Noritake?
Yeah.
That's the sharp is it a sharp camera or just the bag says sharp?
Oh yeah, no, it's a sharp camera.
Look at that bad boy.
This is retro. This reminds me of Uncle Bob.
Really?
Yeah.
You know you got the cap on, right?
Yeah.
Doesn't
can't
matter.
see anything. Oh, look at that.
Yeah, you broke it. Good job. Oh, you got your 2 tripods too.
Oh, one of them came with the camera and the other one Eric didn't want, so I took it. Because I didn't know if we could use it with one of our cameras. But no.
We've got like 3 or 4 already.
I don't know. Then we'll just donate it.
They might sell. This is mine. Don't worry, it's just a pellet gun, CO2 pellet gun. It came in this box with some binoculars and came with this little laser sight. Man, the truck smells hot. What's this?
Well, this is Corning wire. This is wire.
Oh, that's the Corning wire,
Yeah,
huh?
and it has a it has a lid, a glass lid. This one is
Did we get the lid or?
John Maddox and Sons of England. Just a serving platter. So, but I don't know. That came. Actually, I think this came with the Corning wire.
Marcy found this birdie one.
That was $1.
That's
Lefton.
Lefton.
They had the
Hand-painted.
other. They had the set, but that went kind of high. I mean, like higher than I wanted to pay for it. So, but I like this one, and I knew that I could sell this one pretty easily online. So.
Sweet. These must be the Pier 1 things.
Are they super heavy? Yes.
Yeah, these are like weapons.
I know.
Oh my gosh, that's got to weigh 4 pounds.
They're chargers. I did not realize how heavy they were.
Sorry.
And then they have the, I don't know if those are Pier 1 too. I'm assuming they are, but I don't know.
The mats?
Yeah. But these, yeah. I don't know what they're made of, but
I'm serious, that's like several pounds each.
not for food use. So these are definitely just a charger.
I don't know what that means.
Well,
They paid
you would
12
put
bucks
your,
a piece.
yeah, you'd put your plate on top of this.
Oh, okay.
It's just decorative. She had quite a few African decor things there, so
More of that Corning wire.
yeah.
Wait.
They're actually nice heavy duty. I would be surprised to find out that these are not Pier 1.
They're not marked though.
No. But feel how? I mean, they feel like quality.
I'm sure they came with those other things. Here's my cast iron doggy.
Oh, cute. That is cute. These are the covers for the Corning wire.
Oh, gotcha.
Casual elegance Corning wire.
It's my favorite.
Kind of sticky.
Is this part of the Pier 1 stuff?
Oh yeah.
Well, $40.50. Hopefully we'll make a couple dollars. It was a tough day. Welcome to the Back Road Bidder. Marcy's mad. You know. Oh. Cool, what's that? Like Hawaiian dance? Aloha. It was a good day. I got recognized 3 or 4 times as the Back Road Bidder. Paparazzi were all over me.